Meet Daniel, a homeowner with a garage door that suddenly stopped working. He noticed the door was heavy and difficult to lift. A broken spring was making his daily routine more difficult. Daniel knew a damaged spring could make the door unsafe to use. He contacted Adams Garage Doors LLC for professional help. Their team replaced the damaged spring with the right service. Soon, Daniel's garage door was working smoothly again. Need help with a broken garage door spring repair? Visit AdamsGarageDoorsLLC.com to explore spring replacement services.